The SOS indicator on your Spectrum mobile, iPhone, or Android device means it can't connect to the cellular network, limiting you to emergency calls only. This isn't a hardware defect, but a connectivity problem. Since Spectrum uses Verizon's network, these fixes are Verizon compatible. First, try the quickest solutions. Toggle airplane mode on and off to reset your phone's radios. This often reestablishes the network connection. Then, restart your device. These steps often reestablish the network connection. If the problem persists, use the Spectrum mobile app version 25.1 or later to run a network diagnostic test. This tool can identify common issues and suggest fixes. Software bugs from recent iOS updates like iOS 18.2 can cause this, so ensure your phone's operating system is up to date. For Android devices, check for recent updates that may fix connectivity issues. Also, make sure your bill is paid and your account is active. If issues continue, contact Spectrum support. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the SOS issue, let's explore advanced steps, including SIM card investigation, network resets, and future developments in Spectrum's technology. Start by investigating your SIM card. For physical SIM cards, verify it's securely inserted using the eject tool. For eSIM plans, which are common in newer Spectrum mobile offerings, contact Spectrum support to confirm activation status. Resetting network settings can fix APN misconfigurations. On iOS, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, then Reset Network Settings. On Android, navigate to Settings, then look for Reset options to reset network settings. If you're traveling, enable network roaming in your settings to allow your device to connect to partner networks when Spectrum coverage is unavailable. Spectrum is implementing AI-driven troubleshooting and hybrid network support. Check the Spectrum mobile app for proactive connectivity alerts and ensure Wi-Fi calling is enabled as a backup option when cellular signal is poor. Looking ahead, by 2026, Spectrum plans to integrate satellite connectivity through partnerships, offering a reliable fallback option in areas with no cellular coverage. Regularly update your carrier settings to prevent connectivity issues. If all advanced troubleshooting steps fail, contact Spectrum Mobile Support for personalized assistance. Remember, these methods resolve most SOS problems efficiently.